Hello everyone. In this video I would like to show you how to make a simple box plot using R. Once again you have to have everything in a tiny little folder, which I'm going to call Boxplot. Let's open this one up. There's a subdirectory here that is called data, and there's my code, Boxplots. Let's click on that one. First things first, you need to tell R where to find the data. So basically set your working directory to the right one. So this one is already there, but again you can navigate around and find it. What I want is I want the box plot. Select the folder and you're in there. Okay, another thing is you need to load all the right packages. The favorite library easy package is the first one that I want to load, and on top of that I want to load PLYR and ggplot2. ggplot2 is the one that will help us create the beautiful graph that follows. And PLYR is actually one of those that help you manipulate the data. I don't actually use it this time, but it's good to have it there. So let's start this one. Once again, if you don't have these packages, you could always install them using the install button under packages. Okay, now let's read my dataset. This dataset is a CSV file, so it's relatively simple. It's read.csv, but once again, it's in the subdirectory data. So you need this dot/data. This drops you inside the data subfolder, and it's called times.csv. There it is. I do want to use the header to figure out the column names. The separator is a comma, but I don't want any row names there. So row names equals new. Let me run that one. And what you get is you get this very nice data frame that has the status, two types of status, locked and unlocked, and the times. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to create a box plot of the times based on the status. To do that, we will create the P1 plot using ggplot by using data frame 1, div1, and the aesthetics are on the x-axis you need to put the status because you'll have two different statuses, and on the y-axis you put the times. And since you want a box plot, you put plus geom box plot. Okay, so once again all these things have lots and lots of arguments. You can color practically everything here. Another thing that I want on top of that is to see the mean somehow, and to do that you put this command plus stat summary where the function is applied on the y values, so in this case time, and the function is the mean. Play around with function y to see what other arguments are available. And for color I wanted to use the dark red, and I want to create a point with shape number 18. There are tons of different shapes. You can change this into a 3 and see a different shape popping up. And size 3. Okay, so 3 or 3. Let's go ahead and change that into a 7. It's not going to matter, but just, I don't want to see 3 and 3 again. And I don't really want to see the legend. Finally, I want to use the classic theme with white background and all that, but remember there are tons of themes and you should play around until you find the one that you like the most. So let me go ahead and create the ggplot. And obviously you're not going to see it, it's here, but if you just click P1, there it is, it's going to pop up over there. Alright, so as you can see, you have your two box plots for locked and unlocked, and besides the basic ones, you can also see here the little mean. Alright, if you change the shape, for example, into 18, you'll see something slightly different. Okay, let's run it. There you go. Alright, so this is the classic box plot here, and what I want to do is I want to save it now in the subfolder results that I have here, and I want to name it boxplot 1. Not boxplot 2, but boxplot 1. Alright, so you again invoke the ggsave command, you tell it what plot to save and what name. So let's run this one, and this is the ggplot popped up inside the results subfolder, and there you go, a beautiful PDF to put in your results and in any presentations. Now once again you can play around with this, you can add here little tabs, you can change the colors, you can change the shapes. Try again and play around and read as much as you can from the box, but this is the basic